The world's first reproducible living robots have been developed. Cancer and aging could be history. Scientists have developed the world's first reproducible living robots. These robots, which have the unprecedented ability to reproduce in an unprecedented way, could be the answer to many questions that science is trying to solve, including cancer and aging. Xenobots, the world's first living robots created from the stem cell of Xenopus laevis, the African clawed frog named after him, and designed by computers, were first introduced to the world in 2020. At that time, scientists said that these organisms were able to heal themselves and survive for weeks without eating. Now experts from the University of Vermont, Tufts University and the Weiss Institute of Harvard University have discovered that xenobots, whose appearance resembles a drop, have an unorthodox new reproductive capacity. According to the new discovery, the first living robots can reproduce by copying themselves. The study shows promise against aging and cancer. Scientists who developed the organism said in December press release that xenobots can create baby organisms by combining hundreds of single cells in their mouths. With the right design, they can copy themselves. Josh Bongard, a computer science professor and robotics expert at the University of Vermont who led the research, said of the new discovery. Douglas Blackiston, a senior scientist at Tufts University and the Weiss Institute, also noted that he believes that humanity has solved all possible ways to reproduce for a long time, but this new development is unlike anything seen before. These cells have a frog genome, but when they get rid of tadpoles, they use their collective intelligence, a plasticity, to do something amazing, said Michael Levin, a professor of biology at Tufts University's Allen Discovery Center, who said the incident is quite profound. He quoted me as saying, "When you first hear it, the idea of a self-reproducing robot sounds pretty creepy, but apparently the scientists who are part of the study are extremely comfortable with it." Stating that they are working to understand the feature of reproduction, Bongard said, "The world and technologies are changing rapidly. It is important for the whole society that we study and understand how this will work." He stressed that understanding this type of self-replicating biotechnology could be of benefit in many areas of practical use, including regenerative medicine. Ultimately, this is regenerative medicine. If we know how to make cells do the things we want them to do, it can be the solution to traumatic injury, birth defects, cancer and aging. Bongard continued, noting that it may be possible to learn this thanks to xenobots.